And also they will be sharing you this web link. Okay, this is the link where you can see if you have any issues, you can explore this. How to access this VPN and how to download this software tools like FortiClient. This is the one FortiClient VPN, and one more tool that you are going to use is VNC VR. So what is this FortiClient means? If you want to connect your network to this VLSA Guru Institute network, you are using this FortiClient VPN, and to view the session IDs and all, you are going to use this VNC viewer to display the screen, to view your screen, whatever the work you are going to do it in server, right? All those things will be viewed by using VNC viewer. So these are the two software tools that needs to be installed before you invoke the tools, like any tool like ICC2 shell, Fusion compiler, cadence, anything. It can be anything. Okay. If you are front end, yes, it can be anything. You have to download these two software tools, must and should. The main agenda I told you, right? How to download these things. So if you click on the second option, you can see the VPN access and software download guide. Here you are having step by step guide, and the link is provided over here itself. And also they will share you this link in WhatsApp or either through mail or WhatsApp. If you didn't get, you can request in individual groups. Okay. Once I click on this VLSA Guru dot in VPN access. To access the VPN, you should be following these two steps: VPN credentials and login institute VPN credentials. Okay, Unix login. Fine. So here in institute, by the way, I want to tell you, we are having different servers, guys. Like server 15, server 20, server 22, 25, 30, 60, and one more 80 also there, 90 also there. Okay. So here, if you want to access, if you want to do work in any of the server, first you need to download FortiClient and VNC Viewer. So how to download the VPN files means you have to click over this Google Drive link. Okay, this is the Google Drive link. If you click on this link, you are seeing this FortiClient online installer, right? You have to click on download, and you can see whenever you get this message, the file might be dangerous, something, you can click on download anyway. So automatically it gets downloaded. Fine. Else click on this option also, download symbol. Multiple ways where you can download. So these two files, .exe files, where you can download this software tools, you have to do this step. Once you download, let me do it for your understanding. Actually, I'm already done with downloading, installing and all, because I'm doing the labs, right? Okay, fine. So once you double click, once you open this, it will ask you, do you want to allow some changes with this app to your device? Then you can click on yes, and you can see FortiClient installer. Are you able to see this? The status. So it will install this FortiClient, by the way. For the VNC viewer also. Fine. See here, you got some pop-up, right? Welcome to the FortiClient VPN setup wizard. You have to click on next. And as I am already having this, if you didn't get this step, fine. Else you can go ahead with further changes. If you didn't get this repair, or that is okay. As I have already installed, it was showing the option like change, repair and all. For you guys, it might not be showing. Okay. So please go ahead with the next step in your case. And please wait till this 40 client VPN been installed. So finally you will see completed the 40 client VPN setup wizard. Just click on finish. And it is saying you have to restart your system for the configurations made. And I can't do it now guys, because if I do it the session gets sent. Okay, let this be. But you guys have to click on S and restart your server. Fine. Similar way you have to download VNC Viewer also. Once it is done, here we need to update this. Yeah, here it is set. Yeah, fine. Okay, guys, you can see here. Once it is done, you please go back this. Okay, now you are able to view the screen, right? Once installation part is completed, you have to open this 40 client VPN. Okay, once you open this, you have to provide your username. One more here, this is what I am saying about the username. They will provide you through either through mail or through your WhatsApp. Okay, they will send you the message. You have to use your username and password. Some 3-digit password they will be provided. After that, you please make sure you are going to edit the selected connection. Click on this. Here the connection name. The connection name is VLSIGURU. Make sure your remote gateway number is this 106.51.61.239 and enable this customized port and provide this 8443 number, and you can give your username and click on save. Okay, click on save. So I have to provide this someone's, yeah, let me give this. So sometimes what happens means the status will be showing 40% and it will stuck, guys. That time what you need to do, this particular 40 client will be displayed twice. Okay, one more in the taskbar itself, one more 40 client symbol will be view. Okay, will be present. So you can click on that and make sure. Let me try once. If it is coming, that would be great. Let me check once again. No, it's directly connecting 100%. If it gets stuck, right, it will display one more pop-up. That pop-up you have to open and click on S. Then it will connect. You can see now the connection is 100%. You are connected to VLSIGURU. VPN is connected. You are connected to VLSIGURU institute networks. Okay, network. Now, once this part is done, you have to open VNC viewer. Now, you have to use any of the server. So, what is this means? 10.60.0.60 colon 5999. So, just now I told, right? Like they are providing you some servers. Okay, 15 server, 20 server, 22 server, 30 server, 60 server, like that. So if they provide you 60 server, you have to use 10.0.0.60 colon 5999. If they give you 15 server, of course these details will be shared to you, no need to be worried. You have to use 15 server they provide, you have to use 15 colon 5999. If they give you 22, right, you have to use 22 colon 5999. In this way you have to connect it to your server. Fine. Now let me open any of the server. 60 colon 5999. You click on enter. Yes. So this is what you will be seeing the screen. If you get any issues with this, you can raise your request, or your mentor will help you with the issue. Okay, they will provide you the support. So this is how you need to perform the steps. These two steps are mandatory if you want to do work in a server. So one more thing, guys. Whatever the number you are seeing, right, VLSA Guru 6 colon 26, this is a number provided to me. Okay. So I will just give you one simple example. If I give you one laptop and 100 students are waiting here to do the lab session, okay, is it possible for all the students to run their commands in one laptop? No, right? Obviously, no. So everyone should be having their own laptops. Similarly, here also, tool is in this server. If 20 students are there, 20 students who are using 60 server. Okay, let me assume 20 students using the 60 server. So for every student, there will be unique number provided. Okay, so in my case, it is 26. So no other student will be having this number 26. Every 20 students will be having different unique number. That is what it is. So it represents everyone is having their own laptops to do their work. Next, once your work is done, ensure that you do log out from the session. Okay, how to do that means you have to click on this power symbol is there, right, at the top right corner. So your username will be there. You just expand it. Then next you have to click on logout. So logout, yes, you have to click on yes. So if any other steps, if you have any doubts, queries during lab sessions, the mentor will be helping you to fix the issues. Okay. Yes. Thank you all.